Hey everybody, welcome back to Eccentric Diva TV. Fabulous over 50 with your girl, the Eccentric Diva. Now, I don't know about you, but during the winter, your skin can become really dull, and I know that I've run with makeup on, so my pores can become clogged. So I decided I wanted to share with you this mask called SPASCRIPTIONS Superstar Glitter Mask, and I got this from Walmart, and I've used it 3 times, and I really like the results that I get. So it comes with this silicone brush, and it's very easy to clean, and the actual consistency of the mask is very thick, and it has glitter in there, so it's divalicious. And so when you put it on, you really don't have to put a lot, because I know one time I tried it and I overdid it and it took forever to dry. So when you're applying it, you don't have to put it on too thick. You also want to watch out for your hair, like on your hairline and also your eyebrows, that it doesn't get on there, because let me tell you, I experienced that too, where it really hurt to pull it off. So basically, you just apply it all around the perimeter, on your nose, your cheeks. You just want to cover all the areas that you can. When you do under your nose, you can just put some there. And then also I like to put just a little bit thicker on my nose, because that's where I usually start to peel it off after it dries. You also want to get under the chin. Don't neglect underneath your chin. This mask is gel-based and infused with carbon. It's also pH balanced and paraben free. And after you finish applying everywhere, then you just rinse off with water to clean the silicone brush. The suggested drying time for the mask is 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, I did 21 minutes. So I normally start in the middle of my nose to peel it off. Then I peel the forehead, and the yawns are like try to break it away from the skin, loosen it up. I like to get in big chunks when I can, but that's not always possible. After you peel off everything, then you want to rinse your face with some lukewarm water. Don't laugh at my medicine cabinet camera setup. Yes, it's so nice and soft. I love the finish. Then you want to towel dry your face. Just pat your face with a dry towel. This mask minimizes your pores, smooths your face, and strengthens it. I love how my makeup goes on after I use it, and it gives me a really nice finish. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button below, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye! Still here? Great, because there's more. I'm having a giveaway, my first giveaway of 2019. I love this stuff so much, I want to share with one of my subscribers. 2 simple rules. 1, you have to be a subscriber, and 2, just type in the comment section below Superstar, and I will have a random drawing on February 23rd in 2 weeks. Thanks for watching, and good luck.